What is going on YouTube? Hannah back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we're going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, as well as the S&P 500. Specifically, we have a lot to talk about within XRP, within these major cryptocurrencies. I'm very excited to go over today's video as we had some pretty incredible stuff happen yesterday into today. You can see it right now. I have the XRP charts pulled up. I feel like I don't even need to, explain this, but this is what we've been waiting for. This is what I have been patiently waiting for. This is what we've been all patiently waiting for, not only on XRP, but all the cryptocurrencies as a whole. So I am very excited to see how this has been panning out the past day or two. Specifically, yesterday did really well, enough honestly for me to buy back into XRP. I never thought I'd say that, as well as the other cryptocurrencies, which are starting to not necessarily break just yet, but this is probably one of the bigger candles we've seen to the upside in quite some time now. So all these cryptocurrencies are starting to show signs of swings to the upside, which is very exciting. This might be the break that we've been looking for. At least it is within XRP. I've bought in. Not only that, they have two articles that could maybe define and explain what exactly we have right here in reasons as to why we're starting to reverse up, which is in regards to long-term investors betting on XRP, bias of the lawsuit, and then XRP markets price gains on upcoming Sologenic airdrop, things like this I want to talk about here, but very excited to see this. We bought in, baby. We're in it right now. So let's see how this plays out. Otherwise, guys, today's video is brought to us by AAX. They are a crypto trading platform, as you can see right here. They're offering a big discount, which is you can actually purchase crypto, I believe 50% off for this week. I think it ends at the end of December, which is really cool. They've given away Bitcoin at 50% off, stuff like this. More information will be at the end of today's video, so stay tuned if you're interested in that. Otherwise, I did link them down in the description if you'd like to check them out earlier. But with that being said, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, and let's dive into today's video. So guys, I don't know. I've been waiting for this day, patiently waiting for this day. After many days of waiting, we've finally gotten the results we've been looking for, and they're pretty positive. I mean, look at my refresh from yesterday to today. We're up almost 7%. Look at how beautiful these charts look. We have coins, Bitcoin, Ethereum. We have Solana, XRP up 6 to 7%. Terra, Avalanche up 14%. SHIB is up 11%. Polygon is up 11.4%. This is huge. Crypto.com is up 7.3%. This is huge for the market, and this is huge for the industry. This could very well be a turning point that we have all been waiting for. To be honest with you, had we have broken through this falling wedge fractal, we were pretty much, and talking to my friends in regards to crypto, we were pretty much estimating a 40K retracement down to $40,000 within Bitcoin being rock bottom. Like, this could be the lowest, possible outlook we move to before we see a reversal back to the upside here. But we've been fairly confident on these charts that we found a bottom. And I mean, you could go back into every single one of my videos, literally for the past, honestly, I'd probably say 2 months. Since this correction happened, we've been pretty much calling where the bottom is. Say what you will in the comments. I have the proof. I have the evidence in my videos. We have been talking about this for months now. XRP specifically, we have been mentioning that we have hit a bottom, and I don't know what else to say here, but we've clearly defined and drawn, and I've shown every day now in the weekly charts here, this resistance, this support. We have moving averages, which is a huge support for this cryptocurrency, and we discuss clearly that prices need to and should be bouncing off bottom support as we finally corrected downwards. From B to C, the movement finally happened. From B, I was ultimately expecting to see an immediate correction. It took a little longer. We actually flew up and then corrected downwards, which I wasn't expecting, but we did finally get into contact with point C. Not only did we close the weekly above support, and not only did we use the moving average here, this means we're starting to predict and project a swing back up to point E here, which gets me very excited. So the fact is we're finally starting to get volume back into the coin, and we're finally starting to see movements predict us higher. So where is target? Where do I plan on seeing prices move to? Closer to $1.10. closer to $1.10. Yesterday we closed, and I was very firm with what I said yesterday. Yesterday was all defiant on how we play with this top resistance here. I could draw just like this. This, for the most part, and it might be a little lower, something like this here, was a resistance level that we've been battling for, honestly, over a week now. Since it started December 5th, we've had consolidation. Prices were not able to close us above here. We even said that for the past 2 days, we've consolidated outside the downtrend here, and we haven't gotten high enough with enough volume to actually break us above this resistance. And finally, just yesterday, we closed that daily above there. And, it was crazy too, because if you go back to yesterday's video, the candle actually shot all the way up, shot all the way down, was honestly looking like a ton of uncertainty, and it was looking like it was going to close lower than we had projected, and we actually shot all the way back up, and we closed right in the middle, which is huge. This is a huge bullish signal. Falling wedges have bullish signals. You can clearly see it here. They're usually a bullish reference to swings to the upside here. You can clearly see what we're looking at right now. You can see what falling wedges tend to play out like. You can see it right here. Falling wedge resistance at the top. We need an entry level price to break. You can see the resist after breakout right here. Then you buy in, and it's usually straight up to the upside here. You can see this one too shows signs of correction. We break through the resistance. There's the entry level. We buy in and leverage to the upside here. And that's what we're doing currently, because XRP just broke through its resistance. So we do have stop losses put in. I have mine actually closer to about 83 cents, around that area right here, just basically this resistance here, but we closed at 87 or 88 cents. I think it was like 0.879, and now we're in it. I'm going to stay in it for quite some time now, because I do believe now, moving forward, we're going to start to see prices rally up, retest $1, and then move even higher to retest point D. That's my projection. That's my prediction. We also discussed here that we did have a bullish cross on our relative strength indicator, clearly defining that this was a downtrend, and once we can break above here, that's going to swing us back to the upside here. So with the downtrend being broken, we pretty much confirmed and predicted that we should be able to see swings now back to top resistances, back to point D here. So beautifully played out. You can already see prices are starting to swing up. We have a percentage run from bottom here. We're up 14%. Honestly, to the day, we're up about 13%. But at its peak, hitting its wicks, 14%. Incredible. So we did break bullish. We broke through the downtrend, this resistance here, and we started to swing higher. I do want to talk about Ethereum and Bitcoin, as I haven't bought into those just yet. I do plan on buying into them, but not this very second. I just need a little bit more things to play out. But listen, we've been calling this. We've been waiting for this falling wedge pattern to break consistently. You can see how the stair-stepping pattern works. Every single time we retest it, we consolidate. Finally, we discuss point C is the bottom here. This is the uptrend. This can't break. It is such a solid support. We have weekly moving averages acting as support. We should be able to bounce off this and swing to the upside here. And we had a little bit of uncertainty the past 2 days. So basically the 18th and the 19th here, where prices were kind of intertwined within this square, which we were trading inside of during the falling wedge pattern here, from the first point that we hit it to the last point that we broke out. We didn't see really any fluctuations. So we needed a perfect confirmation, basically the entry point to buy in, which confirmed that prices are swinging higher. And we did. Right here, actually, last night, we confirmed that this is high enough that we're outside of this region here, and we're free sailing now. So I do strongly believe we are going to be moving up to point D here into mid to end of January. So very excited. I think this is the recovery that XRP needed, and it should swing us higher. But it's funny what the media now proposes as to why we broke bullish. We've been tracking the falling wedge, waiting for it. You can see exactly where we broke out and consolidated up. Look at how the media twists it, which isn't a bad thing, though. Ripple long-term investors bet on XRP, expect bias lawsuit against SEC to succeed. So basically, we're now talking how the people are betting against the SEC winning, even though nothing has changed really within the past week. But after nonprofit government watchdog accuses SEC of bias against Ripple, investors expect positive outcomes. Long-term investors predict compromise with the SEC and a positive impact on Ripple price. Ripple has posted over 13% gains over the past week. Analysts expect an uptrend to continue for XRP. We've already discussed this. I've been saying that we're expecting an uptrend within XRP. I don't think it's relevant to the actual video, I don't think it's I don't think it's relevant to the actual court case, although when we do get news about the court case, that will be exciting and hopefully help. But this is irrelevant. We've been tracking the falling wedge, and it's not just happening on XRP, other cryptocurrencies too, but XRP is seeing more of a percentage leap. This one says that the digital asset XRP has gained more than 10% in value during the last 7 days, shrugging off the losses of a majority of crypto coins expected last week, which is expected here. And then it goes, according to the data whale alert, someone moved 449 million XRP on December 19th. Moreover, XRP holders are expecting to receive an airdrop from a project called Sologenic. XRP gains 10%, as we discussed. What is this project? Besides the whale movement, some believe demand is stemming from people who want in on a $500 million airdrop. Sologenic, a firm leveraging XRP, plans to drop coins called Solo tokens to XRP holders. The project aims to become the most influential blockchain-based project in the world. Upcoming Solo snapshot. The project is also doing another airdrop with a token called Core. Sologenic explains that Solo will be available to trade on the project's DEX, which is awesome. And the total supply will be The team says Solo coins are issued on the XRP ledger. Very interesting. Actually, it's quite interesting if you ask me what exactly Sologenic is. Let's do a little bit more of a deep dive here. Tokenized securities on demand retail. Not really seeing where exactly the airdrop is or learn how to claim core airdrop for Solo holders. First snapshot between the 24th and 31st. So that's in like 3 days time now. Tokenizer trade, assets on demand. Interesting. Not sure how it applies right now to XRP. I don't think it does at all to XRP's prices here. I think we've been calling this falling wedge drop. I've been calling that we've hit a bottom on point C inside of our Elliott wave. You know, you heard it from me first. I've been talking about this. This is the Elliott wave from B to C. We've needed this correction to happen. We saw a weird flip. I wasn't expecting that, but we did hit top resistance, immediately got rejected off top, which makes sense because clearly you can see where this problem zone is right here and how we've gotten rejected off of that. So even though we wicked above, it was anticipated to correct back down below, which we did. Corrected all the way back down. This was a huge time right here. 3 weeks ago, 4 weeks ago, this major dip and then reversal back up, which scared the crap out of everyone and me because this would have completely thrown the whole Elliott wave idea out or theory out, which now holds true, or it seems to hold true. We're bouncing off the moving averages here, and we're bouncing off our support at point C with a target now projected at $1.12. So from the current price that we're at, I'm expecting to see another 26% run, so about a 40% jump from where we currently were. Then another consolidation here. So I'm buying in. I'm in on XRP. I anticipate a more bullish scenario moving us forward within the next upcoming weeks. As for the other cryptocurrencies, which I want to cover really quickly, Ethereum has yet to break through, but we've pretty much completed the gap here, and we're starting to see some volume come back in. We had a major reversal yesterday, which is beautiful. A major wick all the way back up, closed above, and you can see even right now, prices are retesting top resistance. So I do strongly believe that hopefully, and I know I've been saying this like every day, but hopefully now, consolidation is over. Again, it doesn't matter if it happened yesterday, 3 days ago, 5 days ago. It's literally just been consolidation. Nobody lost money. I didn't lose money waiting this out here, but I need the confirmation to confirm a break to the upside here. Bitcoin looks like it's starting to do so. So we'll see how today plays out. But if Bitcoin, it's actually been the first time in a very long time we've actually started to see a candle above this resistance. Now, don't get fooled. Don't buy in just yet because we've seen wicks in the past here where prices actually trended below this top resistance here. Let's see how today closes. Once again, this doesn't confirm a buy-in opportunity. I'd wait maybe, let's say we close today at this level, which you can clearly see is a resistance. If tomorrow we swing up to here and we close like at 51.4K, then I'd buy in. Then I anticipate a rally. As for the S&P 500, honestly, it looks terrible. I mean, this is a good buy-in opportunity as of yesterday. We wicked all the way back down to bottom support, which I didn't think we'd see in a long time here. I mean, it's pretty crazy. We hit resistance. We were extremely overbought, corrected all the way back down, hit moving average, shot all the way up. And ever since the Federal Reserve put out its meeting, we've corrected all the way down, past 3 days. Astronomically corrected. But being that this is the bottom, I don't expect us to see any lower levels come out of this. I do believe this is about the lowest we're going to move to. And once again, start to reverse back up to eventually retest top resistance, which is now even higher. So it gives us a much higher, broader playing field. I mean, this is huge. We can almost double the size of what we've had now. Otherwise, guys, I do want to talk more about AAX with you. I want to give a huge shout out to AAX for sponsoring today's episode. As with all crypto exchanges, please do your own research and never invest anything you can't afford to lose. So guys, AAX is one of the leading crypto exchanges offering advanced trading features for professional traders, and they also offer trading strategies, market insights. They have high trading volume, deep liquidity, and even fast transactions. Now recently they have an incredible campaign going on until the end of December that you obviously can take advantage of, which is the buy crypto with up to 50% discount. Kind of nuts. Now the discount is applied to one coin at a time, and the coin is different every week, and currently it's AAB, but they did do Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana sales before that. So guys, AAX, or Atom Asset Exchange, is a cryptocurrency platform established in 2018, providing performance, security, and integrity. Now it has a wider range of crypto products and services, including spot as well as futures for over 100 trading pairs, P2P fiat trading, as well as high yield savings and institutional offerings. Now guys, users who trade on the platform will have access to completely free transactions, both for makers and taker orders across all trading volume categories. Now what's awesome is with the AAX savings, users are guaranteed a 7-day fixed rate at 60% APY, which is much higher than the market average for certain coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDC, and even USDT Tether. Now, coins running on the Solana blockchain can actually get 10% flexible savings, and the great thing about the AAX savings is that the deposits and withdrawals can be made at any time with no lockup, no handling fees, and it generates returns each minute, which is crazy. Now the AAX DeFi staking system can actually get you up to 80% APY, and it is a single platform enabling DeFi staking with just one click, and it's also easy to use even by crypto beginners. Now on top of that, the saving and staking features, users have another stream of passive income they can earn, and that's through the AAX affiliate program known as AAX. And when the users register using a referral link, they actually can earn a small amount of commission for every single trade executed. And they can also earn a minimum of 40% as directed commission and also 10% as second level commission. And now guys, the AAX is the first exchange ever to enable wrapped Ethereum, which is also pretty cool. And this is especially beneficial for miners due to super low handling fees, fast settlement, as well as convenient token conversions. And now the flow is miners obviously get their payouts to MetaMask, and from there they can then deposit into AAX with a very low fee, and the fee is usually 100 times smaller than those on the Ethereum mainnet because of gas fees. And AAX is also the only exchange on crypto that is powered by LSEG technology used by the Oslo Stock Exchange, Borsa Italiana, and the Stock Exchange at London. Now the technology of LSEG permits the traders to fill orders instantly, and they can also get the best prices. Also, AAX is the first to make the switch to the Satoshi standard to drive the adoption of Bitcoin. Now guys, the KYC can also be a major put-off, especially when the amount of traded funds is not that large. So exchange users can actually withdraw crypto up to 2 Bitcoin without KYC, which is pretty awesome. And lastly, AAX is also introducing a USDT bonus for vanilla contracts trading, and users are welcome to receive and use it. And the bonus is 110 USDT, and if you are new to AAX, you can also get a $50 USDT welcome bonus. So guys, definitely make sure to take advantage of the 50% off crypto if that's what you want to do, as it does expire pretty soon. And with that being said, I did link them in the description down below for you to check out. Otherwise, huge shout out to AAX for sponsoring today's episode. As always, make sure to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.